Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Free X wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason. Maybe they're not connecting to your phone, or maybe they're they're not syncing with or pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud's not working or the right earbud's not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you can't get them fixed and you want a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete all of the information off of them so that you can go ahead and delete the pairing history and everything, so you can set them up like they're kind of new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this really easily. We just need to have our earbuds in the case and they're charging, so make sure they're seated properly. And then you're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the right earbud for at least 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will blink, indicating that it's reset. You can release the button, and now you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds.